Welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today we're going to do a September update on my Catasetum orchids. This month has been especially brutal for some of my Catasetums, and it's also been an amazing season for the other ones. So the bad news first, my Cloecia Gray Stun and my Cloecia Russelliana didn't make it. We had a heat wave, followed by a cool front, which stressed the plants out even more, and the new growths just shriveled up and died. Most of my Catasetums are in active growth mode still. With a delayed summer, they're still growing lots of leaves and fattening up their pseudobulbs. A few have hardened off their pseudobulbs, and I think they're going to be ready to spike. They have been dropping a couple of leaves, so I know dormancy is coming up soon. The leaves of most of my Catasetums do look quite sad. Between getting moved around, dealing with spider mites, falling out of the trellis, and a whole host of other problems, they look a little worse for wear. The good thing is that once dormancy comes, all the leaves come off and we can have a fresh start next season. I'm really looking forward to the dormancy period because most of these Catasetums will bloom in the wintertime. The Cloecia Gray Stun crossed with Mormotes ignea has a little bit of a pest issue. There are some white spots on the bottom of the leaves, and right now it's in quarantine until I can figure out what's going on. I'm washing it off every day, and I'm applying some insecticidal soap, so hopefully we'll clear away the problem soon. The Cloecia Rebecca Northern got some sunburn on the leaves, and it's not too serious. There's some slight damage, but I think the leaves should be fine. The Catasetum Portuguese Star crossed with Tigrinum has a bad sunburn spot. The damage is more significant than the other Catasetums, but since the leaves are going to fall off, I'm not too concerned. My Catasetum lucis is doing fantastic. The second new growth has started to mature its pseudobulb, and it's looking just as healthy and vigorous as the previous growth. So I have huge expectations for this plant. My Cloacetum Black Jade is also looking very good. The pseudobulb is starting to swell, and it just looks so fat and healthy. This is the season where most of my Catasetums are maturing their pseudobulbs and storing energy for the dormancy period. So hopefully all of them will have nice fat pseudobulbs in the next couple of months, and maybe a few spikes will appear. A few of my Catasetums have started to lose some leaves. I guess they're getting ready for dormancy, and that's a good sign because blooms will be on their way shortly. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!